Okay, so I have this all pressed, nice and neat. It's super cute. I still have this opening. This will get stitched closed when we attach the zipper. However, I want to take some Stitch Witch, that's what I know it as. I don't have the packaging, but it's glue that you iron on, and it will fuse that opening together. So this just to me is additional peace of mind. So I just fold mine and tuck it in there at the seam and then iron it. You want to take care not to get this on your iron, of course. Then that will fuse that together for you. Okay, so we're going to set this all aside. Now's a good time if you want to just try it on and see what it's going to look like. There's lots of room to adjust if you need a longer strap length with that. So I'm pretty sure it'll fit most bodies. Now we're going to craft the zipper casing, which is made from 2 pieces of material that are 7 inches wide by 18 inches long. And I folded those together right sides facing. I'm going to stitch up the short edges of both. Okay, so after you stitch up the sides of your zipper casing, you're going to turn that right side out, press it nice and flat, and fold that top edge inward 1/2 inch. And then take your 14-inch zipper and fit that in between those finished folds and pin that all in place. And then stitch down both sides to attach the zipper to that casing. Okay, now I have my zipper attached to the casing. I just want to clean up any stray threads there and then test that and make sure that it functions properly. And then I'm going to mark center on both the front and the back top edge. Mark center with a pin. And then you want to take your zipper and fold that in half and mark center. And then you're going to align those 2 center pins and attach the zipper casing to the exterior and interior, just pinning through all those layers. All the edges are finished, so the most important part here is just to connect those center points. And you just work around aligning that top edge of the zipper casing with that top edge of the bag. You're going to turn this gentle corner here. And then for the time being, don't worry about the sides. Just get that front and back edge attached. Right, so the front and the back edge of the zipper are attached. Now you should be able to attach that side panel, and that edge of that zipper casing should meet very close to center of your side panel. Just fiddle with that until you're happy how those 2 panels connect. And that's what it should look like for you. And then the last thing you have to do is put this up on the machine and stitch all the way around that edge When you get to these handles, if you loosen the handle, you may be able to clear it all. If needed, backstitch, cut the thread, and then pick up where you left off. Whatever's easiest for you to clear these straps. But just go nice and slow. You're on the home stretch here. The bag is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, guys, that was so much fun. I'm absolutely thrilled with how this bag turned out. I was able to refine the process some between the bag I made for Isabel for Christmas and this one. And I really think that I have perfected this design, but I always want to invite you to customize it and make it your own. I am really excited to see what you do with this project. Please, if possible, join us on the sew along. If not, if you will follow at Sewspire on Instagram and Facebook and share photos with me, that way I would be so very grateful. Many thanks to our patrons for making not only this video, but the sew along possible. And I hope the rest of you have a beautiful week, and I will be back next week with another inspired project. Until then, please know, as always, the creative genius in me will be celebrating the creative genius in you.